Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check tasks on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Pony Village, and you click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and you can check a character and you can find the tasks button, and you can select different buttons. For example, have a picnic, and if you want to go picnic, click to the go button, and in the future you will claim the rewards. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next time. Bye bye.